This is the rice powder. This is made in Thailand by Flying Horse. Flying Horse Company is a major food company in Thailand. This is tapioca powder made by Green Max Company. Green Max is a major food company in Taiwan. Taiwanese style savory rice pudding. First step is to make the rice paste. Here are the ingredients. We have the rice powder, 1 cup. Tapioca powder, 1/4 cup. Cold water, 3 cups. And we're gonna mix them all together into this to make a rice paste. Put this in, tapioca powder. Put it here. And then this is rice powder. Put it in. Mix together. And start putting cold water. Put some first. Stir. Mix. Put some. Stir. Mix. So we heat it up. 2 cups of the braised ground pork. We take out the ground pork and leave the sauce in the pot. So we'll heat it up, the braised ground pork sauce until it's boiling. Then we're going to put in the rice paste. The rice paste and stir it. Put it in, stir it slowly. Try this. This is Taiwanese style savory rice pudding. So take some, right? Excellent taste, good savory flavor. And rice pudding, soft, creamy, excellent. Let's put some sweet chili sauce. With sweet chili sauce. So you got the savory, spicy all together. I like this one better. I'll make steamed egg with braised ground pork. Now, to get a recipe for braised ground pork, please go to my channel on the playlist Alan's Budget Kitchen. Here are the ingredients to make it. This is the tapioca powder and 2 eggs, and this is warm water, and this is braised ground pork, and this is white pepper, and this is garlic powder and salt. Steam egg, first step. Tapioca powder put into warm water. And there, and stir it to mix well. The eggs. So the egg, use the filter, use the sieve to filter it into the warm water. A little bit white pepper. Some garlic powder, some salt, put egg mix on top of braised ground pork. This is steamed egg with braised ground pork. This is high heat, steam for 10 minutes on stove top. Remember to cover this with a plate. Original flavor. Cut this. Very moist and smooth, creamy, very good savory taste. Sweet chili sauce. Put some sweet chili sauce on top of it. Extra flavor with spicy and savory taste together. I like this with sweet chili sauce better. I'm gonna make a famous dish called Mapo Tofu. And the tofu you can get in Asian supermarket. It's high protein. Remember to buy this firm style. Chili garlic sauce. This is made by Wei Fong Food Company. Wei Fong Food Company is a major Vietnamese style hot sauce company in the United States. I'm gonna take 2 large spoons of braised ground pork. One more. Here's Mapo Tofu. It's great smell. So we got a ground pork, tofu, we got the green onion, and we got the hot chili and garlic sauce. It's excellent taste with the savory taste, and the chili sauce. It's a little bit spicy, so you better go with the rice. Let's try this. Try this. Get some Mapo Tofu. Take some rice together. It's good balance, good combination. Mapo Tofu with rice together. Excellent taste. This is Napa Cabbage or Chinese cabbage. It's high fiber and with lots of vitamins. You can buy this at Asian supermarket. 6 big large Napa cabbage leaves. Two large spoons braised ground pork. 1. This one is the braised ground pork with Napa cabbage and carrot and green onion. And this one is the seaweed rice bowl with Mapo Tofu. This is the braised ground pork. This is Napa cabbage. It's carrot and it's green onion. Very well seasoned, good combination taste. It's a good fiber in there. Excellent. Try this. Good. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up, subscribe the channel, press the bell button so you get notified when we update the channel. Please also follow us at IG and Facebook.